I'm giving out big smoke, big smoke. Got a whole lot of big smoke, big smoke. Ain't no running from this big smoke, big smoke.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Slowboy VQ, aka Chris, back to y'all with another video. As you can see, we got that little president in the back. But yeah, today's video, I don't know how long it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be thrown into another video, probably, or probably not, who knows. But yeah, today's video, as you can see from the title of the thumbnail, probably. But yeah, we're gonna be putting on the lip. I was gonna wait until we got the other stuff that I delivered, that I ordered to be delivered, but it still hasn't shipped yet. And I'm very impatient with stuff, so I'm just gonna be putting on the lip to see how it looks and everything like that. And whenever that other stuff show up, we'll make another video for that. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what the lip looks like and everything. So yeah, okay, y'all. Well, here's the lip. It's a 3-piece lip. I just want to test it out. I just want to use this lip since it's not that expensive to try it out on the car, because just to see how low it is and see if it will break or scratch. Eventually, I'm gonna get the 1-piece lip to just throw on there, but this is just temporary, just for right now. So we're just gonna see how it is, see how it handles up and everything. We probably might go on a test drive, just to see how it goes. Test drive to the car wash, because my car needs to be washed. That joint is dirty. But yeah, so I'm gonna be putting this on and we'll see how it looks. We go to the store to get the screws and everything like that. So I'm gonna go to the store and catch y'all when I come back. And also, you guys like, subscribe, share the video. You know, we running it up, man. So you guys come join the fam. You feel me? So yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I come back from the store, and we're just gonna get straight to installing the lip. Bet.
A lot of boring math later.
Well, we got the screws. We got the screws, the bow tip. Now we're just gonna start putting it on. See how this goes. We got the car up on the jack. It is hot, so I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I'm gonna record the installation part, but I'm gonna do like quick snips of like what I'm doing as I go by.
You lying ass bitch.
But yeah, just gonna start putting it on right now. Well, guys, I finally finished it. It was too hot to record the whole process, bro. I'm sorry. The sun out here is beaming, but I did it though. It's all done. It looks mean, I ain't gonna lie. I need to wash the car though. That joint's dirty, but I'm gonna show y'all. 3, 2, 1. Bam, that joint was mean. In person, it gives a big difference, I ain't gonna lie. It's not that low. It's not that much to the ground as I thought it would be, so it's all good. It's a bet right there. I ain't gonna lie. I like it. I like the lip look. That junk is hard. Hey, man. So, it don't look too bad. So as soon as this breaks off, we gonna get a one-piece lip. Probably like a Stellium one or something. I'll look for one. But yeah, as soon as this one breaks off, you're just gonna get another one. Let's see how long it holds up now. That junk is mean. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. So I'm gonna go wash the car. That junk is dirty. Dirty. I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks. Cause it's been raining heavy. Raining. So yeah. Oh my gosh. You see, things like these in the road is just killer right now. Things like these. I ain't gonna lie, there was like 5 of them junks, so I ain't think I was, but it should be fine. Cause I have a whole bunch of speed bumps where I live, so, and it looks like it was fine afterwards. I ain't hear no scraping or anything like that, so I believe it should be fine. And we got no gas. No gas. We got dotted lines right now. Stop up at this gas station. Come on, y'all hurry up, but I got no gas. Come on. I got no gas. it's fine. It's not bad. It's still good. That doesn't sound mean. Hey, but it's still holding up. It's still holding up. Now time to go get to the car wash. Put the gas. Let's see. I guess I'll just turn off the camera then until we get to the car wash, because I'm not really driving too crazy because there's too much traffic anyway. So I'll just catch you out at the car wash. Well, you guys, I got to the wash. I already washed my car and everything. Now it's time to just show y'all how it looks. There you go. The lip does make a big difference in person. It does. You can't really see it because it's black, of course, but it makes a difference in person. That joint is hard. Car is back to clean now. It looks straight. So yeah. I wasn't really trying to record everything because it's too hot, man. It's way too hot out here. But yeah. You can see I'm sweating bricks, bro. I'm sweating bricks. So I'm probably gonna end the video here and everything like that. Hope you guys like the video. Share, subscribe, do all that. You feel me? I don't know if this is gonna be a whole full video or whatever. I probably might add it on to something. But like I said, if anything, peace out, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bet. Alright guys, if you're watching this, I added this to the lip video. Well, yeah, I added this to the continuation, the same day shit. Basically we're gonna be heading out to a meet with my boy George, the Q60 Red Sport, the Red Demon. As y'all know, I've seen him in a couple past videos. So yeah, we're just gonna be heading out to a few meets. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna be recording to see if I can get a little something for y'all or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep y'all tuned in or whatever goes down. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, it's gonna be a little something. So y'all stay tuned. Almo, that boy is stuck. Ain't no way, bro. That boy is stuck, bro. Dang, I'm gonna go help that boy. Got that boy unstuck. Shit. That was a pretty close race for what it was. For what it was, that race was close as shit. I ain't gonna lie, this is random, bro.